everyone. As we greeting in Taiwanese, Zimbabwe. I'm Eddy Tseng. Welcome to my kitchen. A lot of people has asking how to make a tempura dipping sauce. So today, let me show you how I make a tempura dipping sauce. To make a tempura sauce, basically 3 key ingredients. Simple. You need a dashi stock, soy sauce, and mirin. If you don't know how to make a dashi stock, you can check our dashi stock video. To make a dipping sauce is very simple. All we need to do is just bring our 3 key ingredients into the pot. First goes in our dashi stock, and then we got our soy sauce. This soy sauce in. Okay. Then bring in our mirin. Okay, it's not enough. Alright, this is the mirin is already give you some sweetness taste, but my personally is like more sweet because as I come from South Taiwan, and the South Taiwan people is like more sweet things. So my personally, you don't have to, but my personally like more sweet. So I bring a little touch of more sugar in. That is my favorite. Okay, let's bring it on. In this stage, you can just give a little gentle stir, just help the sugar to melting. If you don't add the sugar, leave it, just bring to the boil. That's it. Okay. Now it's coming to boil, then sauce is done. Okay, now you can bring your nice dipping bowl. Just pour into the serve bowl. There you go. This is the tempura dipping sauce. So that's it. So simple, easy to make tempura dipping sauce. Next time I'm gonna show you how to make a prawn tempura served with the dipping sauce. If you like, don't forget click like and subscribe. I'll see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.